Guess what, guys? Today's reveal day, and I am so excited. Look at this. This is a gorgeous instrument, and it is from Razan's Thor, and it is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. So, a little backstory about it. My favorite color is green, and so I wanted to have a little spicy, little funky violin, and this is definitely hitting it. And then the sugar skulls just remind me of New Orleans and my love for the city. So let's test it out. Mind you, I've only had one lesson. One. All right, guys. And I have a song. Oh, you want more? Oh, okay. I get it. I'm just that good. Okay. If you can get this song, write it down in the comment section. You're really good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do that again. If you can get that, you good. But that is my very first time playing it. So everyone has a day one. And the thing that I love about it is that it's showing me the very first time I picked up the violin versus now. Although it's still a little squeaky, I'm still a little shaky. I'm still progressing. So I love it. I love everything about it. So guys, don't be afraid to be new at something. Allow the process to occur. It's just worth it. I just can't wait to see how far I go.